Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring the timeless charm of classical cottage decor. This style is all about creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere with a blend of vintage and rustic elements. Whether you are redecorating your entire home or just looking to add a few cottage touch, we have got plenty of ideas and inspiration for you. So let's dive into the world of classical cottage decor. The foundation of any classical cottage decor starts with a soothing color palette. Use soft neutrals like whites, creams, and beiges to create a light and airy feel. Incorporate pastel shades such as mint green, baby blue, and soft pink to add subtle pops of color. Utilize natural colors found in nature, such as saggy green and sky blue, to enhance the serene atmosphere. Furniture is key achieving a classical cottage look. Choose furniture with a distressed or weathered finish for a vintage feel. Incorporate antique furniture like armoires, dressers, and tables to add character and history to your space. Don't be afraid to mix different styles and finishes. An eclectic mix adds to the charm. Textiles play a crucial role in creating a warm, inviting cottage atmosphere. Use floral prints in curtains, cushions, and bedding to bring a touch of nature indoors. Layer different fabrics such as lace, linen, and wool for texture and comfort. Add quilts and throws on beds and sofas for extra coziness. Incorporate rustic and natural elements to enhance the cottage feel. Exposed wooden beams and rustic charm to ceiling and walls. Use natural materials like stone, wood, and wicker in your decor. Bring the outdoors in with potted plants and fresh flowers. Accessories can bring personality and warmth to your space. Use mason jars for storage and decoration. They are perfect for holding everything from dry goods to flowers. Store essentials in vintage canister for both functional and decor. Add candle and lanterns for a cozy ambient glow. The kitchen and dining areas are the heart of a cottage home. A sturdy farmhouse table is perfect for family gatherings. Replace outdoor cabinets with open shelving to display your favorite dishes and glassware. Install an apron front sink for a classy cottage look. Make your living room a welcoming space with these ideas. Choose comfortable overstuffed sofas and armchairs. Decorate the fireplace mantel with vintage finds and seasonal decor. Layer rugs for added warmth and texture. Create a peaceful retreat with these bedroom ideas. An antique iron bed frame can be a stunning focal point. Use soft ruffle bedding and layer quilts for a cozy feel. Repurpose vintage tables and bedside tables for added charm. Make your cottage home truly yours by adding personal touches. Display family heirlooms and cherished items. Incorporate handmade items like knitted throws, hand-painted sign and DIY crafts. Change up your decor with the seasonal for a fresh look throughout the year. Classical core style is all about blending rustic charm with vintage elements to create a warm, inviting space. Remember to choose a soft color palette, incorporate vintage furniture and cozy textiles, personalize your space with unique accessories. If you enjoyed this classical cottage decor style, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Leave a comment below with your favorite cottage decor ideas or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching and be happy decorating.